Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by focusing on inspection. Open the photo and develop and zoom to 100% so noise is visible. Once done, glance at metadata to confirm ISO and exposure because high ISO drives noise and underexposure amplifies grain when you lift shadows. Make sure lens corrections and remove chromatic aberration are toggled. That eliminates color fringes that confuse noise tools. These steps prepare a clean baseline so the detail sliders act predictably when you begin targeted reduction. Now you move to the detail panel and tackle noise directly. Begin with luminance to smooth overall grain. Start modestly around 2040 and increase until luminance noise is less distracting. Then balance luminance detail and contrast. Increase detail to keep fine texture and raise contrast if the image becomes too flat. Next, reduce color noise with the color slider. This removes colored speckles. Then refine with color detail so skin tones and subtle hues remain natural. Finish by refining and protecting detail. Add sharpening, but use masking to prevent noise amplification. Hold Alt or Option while dragging masking to see protected areas. For selective zones, skin, or shadows, apply the adjustment brush and lower noise only where needed. If the image looks oversmoothed, back off luminance or increase luminance detail to recover texture, and always compare at 100% to judge effect. Troubleshooting tip: if color blotches persist, slightly raise color detail before touching color.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.